everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday, just got paid. Friday night, party jumping. It's alright, yeah, it's Friday, baby, yes. Thank you everybody for watching my last video. I put up a late video last night. DDG had me cracking up when he did the one chip challenge. Y'all, if y'all have not checked out that video, please check out that video. I'm gonna put it in the screen somewhere, how it look. I didn't really do a thumbnail for it, but it's the only video with DDG on there. Check out that video. Thank you everybody for that. Thank you everybody for looking at my last videos of the Warrens. They were out last night at a private screening for Boxed In for Reginae. So I made sure I posted that. They were on their way to the screening, and then they took a couple pictures while they were there. So those are on her Instagram, I think, or her TikTok, one of them. I think it's on Instagram. All right, thank you all again. I see all my beauty friends. Yes, I'm on my road to 20K. I'm on the road to 20K. I'm almost there, y'all. I think I got about 15 subscribers before I would reach 18K. And then I'm going to do another giveaway at 18K. And then my next giveaway is going to be at 20K. Get me there. Let's go, y'all. Y'all turned up. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. All right, y'all, listen. So this topic has been on my mind. But before I start this video, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now, because you already know it's going to be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. All right, so listen, y'all. It has been a lot of, like, I don't know if they're bashing her in the media about Jada revealing on the Impact Atlanta that she slept with Lil Baby the same night. A lot of people were saying, what? Why? Don't seem like she that type, blah, 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 blah. So every time she does the interview, they bring up the fact that she slept with Lil Baby. And the fact that, like, why did she even say it? Why did she reveal that? Like, it don't even, a lot of people were saying, like, it brings her it puts her in a different light, which I didn't get that from that I look different at her. I don't look, she's still Jada to me. So she went on an interview with, dang, what is his name? Something Kylie something. I'll put it on the screen what his name is. She did an interview and he posted it on his social media, and it was basically him talking and asking Jada, like, pretty much, why did she reveal that? And here it goes so you all can listen to the clip.
As the people shocked is the fact you admitted to sleeping with your baby daddy on the first night. Whew. Can you tell us more about why you think sleeping with someone on the first night is beneficial to a relationship?
Good. And you sleep with somebody on the first night, they're coming back. Period. Like, it's not really much to it. If I like you, I'm not about to wait. What I'm waiting on? Doing it the next week? Or waiting the next day? What is that gonna solve? Or that's, if he you, whether he liked them or not. That's just how it goes. What we waiting on is hell. We are.
Jada, you about to lock this down? Like, are we not about to wait? Like, why would I wait and somebody else?
Never not been back.
Okay, so that's what Jada had to say about sleeping with guys on the first date. So he was the person that was interviewing Jada when she discussed about her having sex with guys early in a relationship. So I just want to touch on some of the things that Jada said. First thing, it all came out because on the Impact ATL, she said that she slept with Lil Baby early, like the same night. But you all have to remember that Jada and Lil Baby were friends for a little while before they became intimate. So in that situation, she knew what she was getting herself into. She felt comfortable enough for her to have sex with Lil Baby. And I'm just going to be honest, it's Lil Baby. And why not? If we want to cross that line and start having sex, what's the problem? We young, we adults. I'm feeling you, you feeling me. Let's get this done. I didn't see nothing wrong with her saying that she slept with a little baby on the first night, because most of the women would have did just what Jada did. I'm just being honest. So at the end of the day, for people to criticize her because she had sex on the first day with a little baby, I don't understand where y'all coming from. Like, I'm just going to put y'all on some real game. Sex do not make a man stay. If y'all didn't know that, sex do not make a man stay. A man has to stay because they, one, want to stay, and two, they like you, and three, they want to be with you. They love you, they like you, they want to be with you, they see a future with you. Those are the things that make men stay. Sex is just a bonus. If it happen to be good sex, that's just a bonus for a man. But to stay because of sex, no man stays because of sex. Because if that was the case, it'd be a lot of prostitutes that would be married. Because they study on how to please a man and do all the tricks in the bedroom. So a lot of prostitutes are single out here. I see them. They don't be having no husbands, no boyfriends. So sex do not keep a man at all. Second, Jada really was putting y'all on game. She said in her situation, any man that she ever had sex with always came back. I damn near want to high five Jada, because that's the truest stuff. A man will come back with or without sex if they like you. So what are we waiting for? I'm serious. Like, what are we waiting for? In my experiences, I didn't wait 24 hours, and I didn't have somebody wait 9 months. They all stayed. The 24-hour guy, I couldn't even get rid of his ass. The 4-month guy, we went into a 4-year relationship. The guy that I had wait 9 months, we went into a 4-year relationship also. The guy that I slept with in 2 months, I was with him for 5 years. So it don't matter. Sex do not matter. Sex do not matter. Ain't nobody never, I'm just going to be honest, I've never had a one-night stand. They never leave. They never leave. I was having a debate with somebody and was saying, talking about the guy that I slept with on the first date, and he never left. And they like, well, he not a one-night stand. I said, oh, I thought he was. He's like, no, one-night stands leave. I'm like, oh, well, I never had a one-night stand then. Because the guy that I thought I was going to have a one-night stand with, to scratch that off my bucket list, never left. So, again, what Jada is saying is so true. Men stay if they want to stay. We looking at our favorite couple, Reginae and Armon. Let me just throw them in there. Let me know in the comments below. Guess how long it took for Reginae to sleep with Armon? Based on the way Armon treated her since day one, how long you think Nene took to sleep with Armon? Because we know they in month number 5, July, August, September, October, November. They currently dating month number 5. How long do you think it took for Nene to sleep with Armon? You take a guess in the comments. Y'all take a guess in the comments. If a guy is treating you like Armon is treating you and how we see that she's treating Nene, do you think, I'm just going to be honest, do you think she going to make him wait? Like, why? Why would she make him wait? I'm just being honest. He not the first guy that's going to approach you like that and do those things. Sex is just irrelevant. That's just some kind of myth that older women and older men want to live by. That myth, that's irrelevant. That really do not even matter. If y'all vibing and stuff, sex is just a bonus. A man is not going to leave. No man has never left me. I'm just being honest. I've always had to leave somebody. No matter what time, how soon, all that stuff don't even matter. It's if a person want to be with you or not. And I commend Jada for coming out in the public or social media and saying something that's so, like, looked down upon. And that's the first thing they want to bring up about her saying that she has sex with something like that. We supposed to look at Jada different? I don't look at Jada different. She's still Jada. Rich. She got a baby daddy now because he's young, so he didn't want to commit to Jada for the rest of his life. That's a long time. I'm just being honest. They're young. They're still in their 20s. That's a long time. Forever is a long time to make a man commit to you. You know, as us women, you know, I'm not saying all men. Some men will commit to you for the rest of your life. That's very few of them. I'm just being honest. It's very few men that will commit in their 20s to you for the rest of their life. That's a big pill to swallow for a man. So, you know, you got to understand somebody was going to end up cheating, and it was Lil Baby. You know what I'm saying? And he got up out of there. I ain't going to say he got up out of there on Jada, but I felt like he left Jada because he didn't want to keep on hurting her. I had a guy tell me, I'd rather just break this off from you. Because at that point, I'm loyal in relationships. Like, ain't no dipping, dabbing. Like, if you my man, you my man. Like, this sugar cookie is just for you. I'm not giving it to nobody, none of that stuff. He came to me and he said, I love you too much to cheat on you. So I'd rather just break this up. He said, when I was supposed to be out here sorting my royal oaks in my 20s, in my young 12s, because I met him when he was 21. We started dating when he was 21. He like, I've been loyal to you for 4 years. He was like, I feel like I need to be out here sorting my royal oats, but I don't want to do it at your emotional expense. And for me, I'd just rather just break up with you so I could go out there and see what else is on the other side. I damn near wanted to high five him. Because break up with me, baby. Break up with me. Tell me right now, break up with me. Don't have me find out nothing. Don't have me around here thinking you loyal to me and we loyal to each other. And the whole time you over there sorting your royal oats. Like, no, break up with me. And when he did that, he's the only ex that I'm able to still talk to because of that. He came to me, he told me the truth. Now, granted, about a month or two, he tried to come back to a relationship and I had moved on. I had just moved on. I wasn't interested in getting back in a relationship with him. And I had moved on. It was for other circumstances, though. You know, he was one of them guys that felt like he could never marry somebody. And that's important in relationships. That's the one thing us women forget to ask a man. Do they even want to get married? You know why? Because most women feel like if a man find his queen, he gonna marry her. Most men don't want to, I ain't gonna say most men, some men don't want to get married. Look at P. Diddy. P. Diddy been with his baby mama. He was with his baby mama for a long time. The twins' mama. He was with Cassie for damn near half her life. He didn't marry neither one of those women. He don't want to get married. Nobody probably even asked Puffy or P. Diddy in the beginning, did he want to get married? That's an important question. My ex-boyfriend said he never would get married. And you know what? After we broke up, he got with a girl. He been with her for damn near 10 years. He still ain't married her. You know why? She probably never asked him. Because he's a very honest person. So he's going to tell you if he wants marriage or not, because he told me. And then I was like, let me see if he going to marry her. 10 years later, he still ain't put a ring on this girl's finger. You know why? He don't want to get married. All men don't want to get married. And I had to learn that. When you dating somebody, that's one of the most important questions about marriage. If that's what you're looking to be married. If you're looking to be married, if you're not looking to be married, then, you know, that's something that you will have to disclose to the man. Because maybe the man want to marry you and you don't want to get married. So that's just an important question that you have to ask somebody when they're dating. Reginae and Armon, I'm pretty sure they had that talk about marriage. I think they had that talk at the blind date about marriage. They're both on the same page about marriage. He wants to get married, and she wants to get married. So that both align with their destiny. That has nothing to do with sex. Reginae probably bust Armon down in the first month. I'm just being honest. And don't nobody know, but she probably bust Armon down in the first month because sex don't matter. He already seen a future with Reginae the first month. So it don't even matter. Sex was just an added on bonus if he liked it or she liked it. So the way they out here bashing Jada is crazy to me. Like, she is being honest with y'all. It don't matter. It don't matter. Now, don't be out here having sex with this person one day, then turn around and have sex with that person in one day, the next day, then another person. That's when you wilding out. We're saying somebody that you're dating and you possibly want to start a relationship with or are in a relationship with, sex don't matter. Sex don't matter. All right, y'all. Give me y'all thoughts in the comments below. How y'all feel about what Jada is coming out saying that basically she bust down Lil Baby the first night, and that every relationship basically she was in, she bust them down early because it don't matter and nobody never has left her. Let me know how y'all feel about her coming out in the public and saying that. Leave it in the comments below. I'm gonna meet you down there. I got a lot of videos to put up today. I'm gonna try to keep a lot of videos flowing. Yesterday, I think I put up 6 videos yesterday. I was working on a Thirsty Thursday, wasn't I? We have yet to get any more content from Reginae and Armon, so hopefully they took us into the screening or they put up content today. I hope so. So I'll bring you the videos. If they put up any videos, I'm gonna be ready to react to any videos today. Get me to 18K. Give me the 18K. Give me the 18K. And then I'm going to be at 20K. Then I'm going to be at 20K. All right, beauty friends. Thank you all for watching or listening. See y'all in the next video. Hecky no, Joe. It's Beauty Passion. And I'm out.